welcome to or welcome back to Hello High for another great, quick, and easy cannabis recipe. Now, today I'm showing you how to make pizza monkey bread, and this is the perfect game day treat. And it only takes about 30 minutes to cook and about 10 minutes to prepare. And I'm using canna butter and canna oil. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 can of original Grand's biscuits, pepperonis, mozzarella cheese, Colby and cheddar cheese blend, Italian herb seasoning, garlic powder, marinara sauce, canna butter, and canna oil is optional. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees, then grab a large bowl. Now, I like to use original Grands because I'm adding butter to the recipe, but feel free to use whichever Grands biscuits you prefer. Now, after opening